Using Klarna gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to shop online with ease. Follow these steps to make the most of your gift card. Step 1. Check your gift card balance. Before you start shopping, check the balance on your Klarna gift card. You can usually do this on the Klarna website or app, ensuring you know how much you have to spend. Step 2. Choose your retailer. Select an online retailer that accepts Klarna as a payment method. Many popular stores partner with Klarna, so you should have plenty of options to choose from. Step 3. Add items to your cart. Browse the retailer's website and add the items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart. Make sure your total does not exceed the balance on your gift card. Step 4. Select Klarna at checkout. When you are ready to complete your purchase, go to the checkout page. Choose Klarna as your payment option. You may need to log into your Klarna account or create one if you don't have it yet. Step 5. Enter gift card details. Follow the prompts to enter your gift card information. This may include the card number and any PIN or security codes. Confirm the transaction to complete your purchase. Now you are ready to enjoy your shopping experience with Klarna gift cards. Happy shopping!